This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Snap reports earnings after the closing bell on Thursday. Taking a look back, the stock became public in the 20s in 2017, traded down into single digits at the end of 2018, and then slowly worked its way back up to the prior high, getting to it just around June of 2020. And then formed this sort of cup pattern, a handle pattern, and broke out on heavy volume in this massive gap after reporting earnings in October of last year. Now that rally wave was very, very strong, getting up to the low 70s, low to mid 70s in February 2021. Now it entered the first of two trading ranges so far this year. The first range extended all the way down to the 50s and lasted until the second quarter earnings report in July. The stock gapped up once again, just like it did in September, but that was really it for the entire quarter. It got right up to the mid 70s and then entered this sort of sloppy looking trading range, which has held the 50-day moving average through the entire trading range, but the trading floor is down here by around, say around 70. Now, on-balance volume has remained steady as a rock since about April of this year. It really sort of went to sleep in July, but this is just sort of shareholders biding their time within this trading range. Now, Snap has beaten estimates in the last few quarters. I can see from some very nice price action, but they may have to beat by a fairly wide margin this time in order to break this high up here in the low 80s. So there's a lot of volatility heading into the move. As you can see, prices right about in the middle of the trading range, and there's a 12% implied move, which suggests we could get a sell-off into the upper 60s or a rally into the mid 80s after the news. Well, we're hoping, or bulls are hoping for the upside outcome, but we can't rule out the downside outcome because we still have this unfilled gap all the way down to about 63, and that 63 also matches the 200-day moving average, so it could mark a buying opportunity for folks now on the sidelines.